I mixed beetroot with rice, a secret of the most famous coffee shops. For this recipe, I will be cutting it into slices, 3 medium beets like this here. Add to a container and place a cup of rice on top. I'm going to add these ingredients in a pan and put a teaspoon of cinnamon powder, a spoonful of nutmeg. Add water to cover cap and let it cook for about 20 minutes. Okay, it's cooked. Now I'll be turning off the fire and adding to our blender, and we are going to beat these ingredients very well. And guys, you're already commenting to me from which city you're watching us. I'm going to send a super special hug to each one of you who is commenting. I will now be straining, right, these ingredients like this here. Now I'm going to be putting half of it in our blender. Add half a cup of sugar. And we will be hitting very well. And guys, beets have several benefits. It strengthens our immune system, protects the heart, prevents cancer and several other benefits. I'm sure you all will love it. I will add a spoon of vanilla essence, the juice of 2 lemons, and let's mix it up really well. And today, I'm going to send a super special hug to Ava from Washington, D.C. Thank you so much for always being with us. I appreciate it immensely. I'm going to put it in the freezer for about 2 hours now. And our receipt it was ready, and it was super delicious. I'm sure all of you who make it will love it. Look at this wonderful recipe, so if you liked it, share it, and until next time. Goodbye.